Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on call recording on iPhone. So basically, if you're running on iOS 18, by this time, your iPhone will have the call recording feature. And if this is not turned on by default, your iPhone will not turn on the call recording feature automatically. So you need to turn this manually yourself. Then here basically, I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to take if you want to turn on call recording on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to start with, go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, scroll down and click on apps. Then scroll down the page, locate and click on the phone app. So just keep scrolling the page, click on phone app, then scroll down the phone app page, then should say call recording. Now go ahead and tap on call recording. Here, if call recording is disabled, go ahead and turn this on to enable call recording. Now, once you enabled call recording, hit the back button. Now, whenever you have incoming call or outgoing call on your iPhone, you will be able to record the call record on your phone, whether you put a call through or you receive a call on your iPhone. Then once the call is picked, then you should see the call recording button at the top left here. To record the call, just go ahead and click on that. Then you should say this call will be recorded. Audio prompt will play in 2 seconds. Then you should say the call start recording. You see that? And once the call is recorded to your iPhone, you can easily access the recorded audio on the Notes app. You can just go ahead and play it or see the audio transcript. You see that? So that is exactly how to turn on call record on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.